हेलो एवरीवन, तो चलिए देखते हैं पॉलिटी के क्वेश्चंस इन रेफरेंस ऑफ राजस्थान। सो फर्स्ट है, हु इज़ द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ राजस्थान। तो हीरा लाल प्रसाद राजस्थान के पहले मुख्यमंत्री थे जो 7/4/1949 से 5/1/1951 तक कार्यरत रहे थे। सो लेट्स स्विच, अपना मेन क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो रहा है। हु इज़ द रियल हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ स्टेट। तो मुख्यमंत्री होता है Chief Minister, I will go through in English. Chief Minister of State appointed. मैं से क्वेश्चन समझा. Under which article of the Constitution the Chief Minister is appointed? Article 164. By whom is the Chief Minister appointed? Governor. From which house is the Chief Minister elected? Upper House and Legislative Council. By this the Chief Minister elected. Generally, the CM of the state is the leader of the majority party in the Legislative Assembly. Which article states that the CM will be appointed by the governor? Article 164. Under which article of the Constitution the governor appoints the CM? Under Article 164 Clause 1. In which article the duties of the Chief Minister are described? Under Article 167. To whom is the CM of the state responsible? Legislative Assembly. The link between the governor and the council of ministers is CM. Who is preside over the meeting of the council of state of a council of minister of a state, that is CM. Informs the governor about the decision of the council of minister is CM. CM informs the governor about the decision of the council of ministers. Who represent the state in the meeting of the National Development Council? Obvious, CM. The drivers of the steering wheel of the ship of the state council of ministers is Chief Minister of the state. In the state cabinet, the creator, the destroyer and the life giver is CM. Which of the following chief minister has been appointed 3 or more times? So option 1 is Mohanlal Sukhatia, Ashok Gehlot, Haridev Joshi and Shivram Charan. So Mohanlal Sukhatia, Ashok Gehlot and Haridev Joshi 3 times and more than 3 times अपॉइंट हुए हैं. The correct sequence of the chief minister nominated from among the following is Hiralal Shastri, Venkatachari and JNV Vyas. When has the current chief minister of the state been sworn in recently? 17 December 2018. Dearest Ashok Gehlot. Which is the order of the president? What is the order of the present CM of the state? So he is 25th CM of the state. Which CM is related to International Women's Day? Vasundhara Raje. When was the state secretariat established in Rajasthan? In April 1949. In which year did the 91st Constitution Amendment take place? In 2003. Who among the following is the first woman MLA of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly? Yashoda Devi. Who among the following is the first woman MP of Rajasthan? Sarda Bhargav. From which constituency did Yashoda Devi, the first woman MLA of Rajasthan, register her victory? Banswara. Who among the following has served as the CM of Rajasthan for the longest time? Mohanlal Sukhadia, the longest serving CM of Rajasthan. Who has been the first elected CM of Rajasthan? Tikaram Paliwala, first elected CM. The only CM of Rajasthan who died while in office is Barkatullah Khan. Other CM related important questions. The person who has held the post of CM for the maximum number of days in the state is Jyoti Basu. The first CM of Bihar was Sri Krishna Sinha. The first CM of Madhya Pradesh is Ravi Shankar Shukla. In which state of India a woman chief minister was appointed for the first time? Obviously Uttar Pradesh. Who became the first woman CM of an Indian state? Sucheta Kriplani. Who among the following became the first woman CM of Uttar Pradesh? Sucheta Kriplani. Who became the first woman CM of Odisha? Nandini Satyapathi. That's all for this. Thanks for watching. Bye.